Okay, there we see about a bandsaw machine of the brand of Makita. And this is a switch button of the bandsaw machine. When we push up the switch button, the machine is running. And we push down the switch button, the machine is stopped. And next, when we switch on the LED light, as we can see, the LED light is switched on at the top. It will help it to make sure the working place is clear. And next, we unlock the cover. As we can see, it has a pulley inside the cover, and the blade is surrounding the pulley. And next, we push up the pedal is to release the tension of the blade, and we push up the pedal, hand pedal is to lock.
Next, for the operation, Makita bandsaw can cut a soft material like softwood and foam. You can see the blade cut the foam, and then for a cutting angle, the Makita bandsaw can use a cutting angle. For example, read it for 45 degree. And this time LED light is very useful for a clear view. And tighten the blade.
Okay, now we adjust the alignment, and to make sure the material cannot be removed, we tighten the fence so it cannot remove. And then this is for split, for me to adjust the working tables. We are unlocking the locking buttons to see the pulley, and this is for adjust the blade. We lock it again, we remove the fence, and now we can see the table can be adjusted until 45 degrees. Okay, adjust it until 45 degrees.